everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. Within 5 minutes you have your dish ready. Tasty French beans. The ingredients we need: onion cut into like this big pieces, ginger, garlic and green chili paste 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon sea salt, red chili flake, black pepper, coriander powder and cumin powder, and olive oil. And let's start making our delicious French beans. I have a 1 pot with water boiling, have karahi, and we're going to start the gas. Add olive oil, 2 teaspoon olive oil. As you can see, it's boiling. I will share with you how you can make it tender and delicious French beans. We're going to add into the boiling water for only 1 minute. The time we're going to do it for 1 minute, we're going to saute the onion. Really hot. I'll add all the French bean inside, just like this. You need enough water. This is all we need. And now, as soon as I cover the lid, keep your timer on, only 1 minute. And on this side, I'll bring ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And I'm going to use my screen splatter. And we're going to cook ginger, garlic and green chili. You need to cook 10 to 15 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. And we're going to keep sauteing onion. It's about 25 seconds. We're going to give another 35 seconds. So within 1 minute, we're going to have our onion translucent. So keep it moving. So it's exactly 1 minute. In the hot boiling water. So just mix it. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to drain the water. So I'll take this one to my sink and I'll drain the water. And now we're going to mix it. And bring your gas on medium. You don't want to overcook it. You just need onion like that. Once it's nicely combined, the spices, I'm going to mix it. Then we're going to sprinkle over the beans. Once we are done halfway, I'm going to mix it. Once it's nicely combined, then the rest of the spices I'm going to add. And mix it well. We cook our beans for 1 minute in hot boiling water. And this way the beans are tender and they don't get mushy, the French beans. And within 5 minutes you have your dish ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving platter ready and look at these. These are delicious French beans. If you haven't tried, please try it. And let me share with you. Sauteed French beans. They are ready within 5 minutes. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.